So you have a business and you want to implement AI into your business to grow that business, but you don't know where to start. Coming from a guy that does not know how to code, I'm telling you, it is not as hard as it seems to be. I've actually worked with over a dozen companies now in different niches from all across the world implementing AI solutions into their businesses. And I'm going to go through the 3 steps we actually use for our clients to identify where AI is applicable, implement AI, and then reap the rewards of making more money, saving more time, and just living a more efficient life because your business is running like clockwork with AI and with automation. I'm going to go through this 3-step process right now. Again, we've worked with people in real estate, content creators, people in the tax industry. And this is literally the same 3-step process we go through with our clients. So 1 is the rundown of AI. 2 is the exercise where we actually pull apart your business and see where AI is applicable. Number 2 is probably the best step for a lot of you beginners. Number 3 is actually how we go ahead and implement the solutions, what softwares we need, how to figure out what softwares we need, what questions we ask, stuff like that. If you really want to get deep into AI, a video will pop up right here. It's 24 AI solutions for your business. It's a really good video for getting you ideas on AI for your business. Now, first, why AI? It's very simple. I'm going to brief over this because the benefits of AI are pretty obvious. Efficiency, personalization, and creativity. And here are some examples. Efficiency. You could accurately and quickly now just respond to emails with AI, hyper-personalized. So if you get hundreds of emails a day, you can have an AI system that just replies to those emails for you. And it's personalized and it's quick. That's efficiency. Personalization at scale. I actually have a video on this. If you're an online coach or someone that runs lead magnets, every single lead magnet now could be different. Instead of just giving out these one broad ebooks or whatever people used to sell as lead magnets, now it can be personalized. So if I entered my information and you entered your information, we would both receive different lead magnets personalized to us. And more personalization at scale, the more conversions you're going to get. And finally, creativity, speed, and vision. You can now quickly identify and have a vision of content creation ideas, marketing tactics. We're actually working with over 12 clients right now, helping them implement AI content systems into their business to bring inbound leads. And I have a whole video on like AI systems for content creation, all this stuff. So creativity, personalization, and efficiency, very obvious but powerful use cases of AI. It's a no-brainer to implement AI into your business in 2024 and going on. Not only is it a benefit, it almost will make you survive. If you don't have AI, it'll be a rocky road for you for the next few years. Now, pull apart your business exercise. I love doing this exercise with our clients because it works really well and it's very, very simple. So it all starts with your business, and your business has multiple different departments. Offer and your service, like literally what are your services? What do you offer? Lead generation and marketing, it's probably where you're getting all your leads, where all your money comes from. And then service delivery. When you get those leads, how do you fulfill? How are the teams structured? All that stuff. So break down your business into the different departments, depending on how big your business is, what niche you're in, your employees. Break down your business into the different departments. And of course, these departments have sub-departments. So for your offer, you have your social proof. Like how much social proof does your business have? How do you display that social proof? Do you have a Yelp page? Do you have a YouTube page? Stuff like that. Your guarantee. What do you literally guarantee your clients? What the end result do you get for them? Right? Lead generation and marketing, more simple. I'm going to actually go into that in a second. And then service delivery. You have your project management team. You have your literal project management dashboards and stuff you use. Team organization, like your hierarchy in your business. You have onboarding, you have all this stuff. But let's go to lead generation and marketing. This is where we're really specializing in AI solutions because you could use AI and automation now to bring leads to your business like never before. So lead generation and marketing, I'm going to focus on online businesses because that's who we're working with the most right now. So for most online businesses, they run ads, they do content marketing, and they do cold outreach. AI is applicable in every single one of these fashions. And again, I'm going to show you how to pull apart your business like this and then identify the inflection points on where you could implement AI. So just expanding what I was talking about above, again, your business has lead generation and marketing. And under that, for an online company specifically, you have ads, content marketing, cold outreach. At every single one of these little red circles, there's an inflection point, right? That's just where 2 things meet, right? And at this point, this is where you implement AI. So for ads, you could implement AI. For content marketing, you can implement AI. For cold outreach, you could implement AI. I'm going to get into the actual use cases in a second, but this applies everywhere. Project management, team organization, onboarding. As these things like get lower and they start to overtwine and they start to cross each other, those inflection points, that's where AI comes in. And again, just think about personalization, the creativity, and the efficiency. At every single inflection point, you could implement one of these 3 factors that will make the system run smoother or more profitable and more efficient. All right. Now, let's go back to content marketing specifically. We're working with a lot of creators right now. We're getting crazy results. People are booking in massive amounts of sales calls. People are making tens of thousands of dollars from our AI content marketing systems. And this is sort of some of the use cases for these AI content systems. One is AI to analyze your competition. So you could have the AI sort of analyze all your competition, what content they're posting, what's working for them in terms of ads, the ad creatives they're running. You could have an AI system, an algorithm sort of scan everything and then give you outputs based on your business. 2, AI content ideas. Content ideas are a huge topic. If you don't post a good idea, no one's going to watch it, right? So AI will actually give you good content ideas if it has enough data. AI conversion mechanisms, this is turning views into leads for content marketing. So back-end AI systems, AI lead magnets, like I talked about, stuff like that. And then analytics. So if you feed analytics to an AI algorithm, it can tell you what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. Should you make more of this content, more of that content, whatever that is. All right. So content marketing specifically, that's how we use AI. For these other things above, ads, the ad creative now could actually be AI because AI is really good at creating images. The ad creative could be AI, or the ad can be scripted by AI. And cold outreach is really, really cool one. So for cold emails now, there's a bunch of cool platforms out there, Instantly, Smart Lead AI, all these platforms. You could actually implement AI into the workflow. So every single lead gets a different email, right? So not just spamming emails anymore. It's personalized cold outreach at scale, which is really, really cool. So this is the inflection point. This is how you pull apart your business. That's why I called a pull apart your business exercise. You're literally like spreading apart your business to the finest detail. And every single one of these points, again, AI can and will be implemented into all businesses. And I recommend you do the same. And this is actually how you go ahead and implement these AI solutions. By the way, if you have any questions, go ahead and you can book a call with me, or you can just DM me on Instagram. I answer all my DMs personally. No AI there, even though a lot of people think it's AI on my Instagram. It's me. So if you have a question, just let me know. This is how you implement AI solutions. 3 steps here, guys. First, identify the end goal of the system, identify the tech stack, and then decide how you're going to actually implement. And I have some examples for all of this. We're going to stick with content marketing. So identifying the end goal of a system, just like anything you build, you want to see what the end goal is. You want to envision what the final product will be. When construction workers go and they build a bridge, they draw out what the bridge is going to look like. This is the same thing you have to do. What does a perfect system look like? And that's the question you should ask yourself. What does the perfect system look like? And what would the ROI of that perfect system be? Would it make you money? Would it save you time? Would it eliminate an employee? What would it do for your business? An example in the content marketing that we're doing, the perfect system would be an AI that scripts good content, that actually converts. And it would reduce the time that it takes to create content, or it would replace the VA that we have to create our scripts and stuff like that. That would be a perfect system for us. 2, identify the tech stack. So this is a 2-sided thing. 1, what softwares are used in the system currently, and what softwares will have to be used for the actual solution. This is what I mean. Say you're trying to use AI in content marketing. Again, going with our example here. The tech stack would be what we're currently using. So currently to create content, we're using ChatGPT, we're using Notion, and we're using Google Drive. Those are all separate platforms, and you have to merge these platforms together in a platform like Make.com or Relay App. These are like automation platforms to actually use AI. There's no way to connect really ChatGPT to Notion and Google Drive without a centralized platform for you to use. Make.com, Zapier is another really big one that a lot of people use in the space. You need one of these solutions to actually go ahead and glue everything together and how to actually implement AI. Another example, let's just say you're trying to use AI to budget for your business, right? Like calculate profit and loss, monthly budget, employee expenses, all this stuff. Your current tech stack would probably be like TurboTax, would probably be QuickBooks, would probably be whatever softwares you're using, right? And then what softwares would you need on top of that to go ahead and use AI? You would need something like Make.com. You might need Salesforce and their AI platform. So you have to identify 1, the current tech stack, and 2, the integratable tech stack that allows AI to like piece everything together. If that doesn't make sense, I have so many more videos that will pop up on the screen that will tell you which softwares are best for implementing AI into your business. Finally, once you identify the end goal and the ROI, you identify the technology to make this happen, you decide on the implementation route based on your skills. AI is a skill. There's no doubt about it. It's one of the most in-demand skills right now because a lot of people aren't that good at it. You don't know how to code. You don't have to do anything crazy, but it does take time. There's prompting. There is APIs and all these like terminology that you do have to learn and see what's best for you, right? Depending on your situation, your budget, all this stuff. So can you do this alone? Do you have the time to learn this? Do you have an employee to do this? Or do you have to hire someone? Those are really your only options there. So is it worth your time basically to hire someone or have a professional do it? Our clients come to us because they don't have the time to do this or the professional capabilities to do this, so they hire us. But if you could do it yourself, it will probably take multiple hours to learn, but definitely worth it because you have a skill and you can just build whatever you want for yourself. But if you don't have the time for it, again, I have a free call down below specifically for people that want to use AI for lead generation, content marketing, stuff like that. That is the 3-step process, guys, for implementing AI solutions. And that is all I have for you guys. It's really, really simple. AI is here to stay. Pull apart your business, see the inflection points, see where you can implement AI, and then finally ask yourself these simple questions on how to actually use AI and implement it into your business. If you have any questions on this, book a call with me down below. It's completely free and you'll be talking to me, or just DM me on Instagram. I answer all my questions there. Have yourself a great day, implement AI,
in 2024 and abroad to not only stand out, but to future-proof your business. Also, this video right here will probably help out. See you there.